Did you know intentional yawning is a powerful tool to release tension and boost your energy? Instead of suppressing a yawn, embrace it. Take a deep breath, stretch your jaw wide, and let that yawn flow. This simple act signals your body to relax, increases oxygen intake, and calms your nervous system. Whenever you feel stressed or sluggish, try a few intentional yawns. You'll notice your mind clears, your body feels lighter, and you're ready to take on the next challenge with renewed focus and energy. Give it a try today.